Tawag ko na. Kasi yung sinabi mo niya na yung mabagyo yung pedal. Mawala sabi ko.
Nag-aabang po ako siya. Umayain po kasi talaga ako. Ay nag-aabang po ako na may hihinto po sa akin. At ako po si Kuya.
Kasi ganawa naman.
Breaking news. Missing bride-to-be finally found safe in Pangasinan. At around 4 p.m. today, December 29th, 2025, personnel from the Quezon City Police District, QCPD, together with the family of missing bride-to-be Shera De Juan, arrived in Sison, Pangasinan to fetch her, according to QCPD PIO Chief Police Major Jennifer Ganaban.
Bandang 4 o'clock nga po kanina ay nakarating po ang mga personnel ng TCPD at yung mga relatives po ni Shera doon sa Sison, Pangasinan para po siya ay sunduin.
Kung nagkita na si Shera sa si Mark.
Sa ngayon po hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung status dahil kakarating po kanina ng mga personnel natin sa Sison Police Station and waiting pa tayo doon sa report po nila. Dadalhin po siya dito sa Quezon City, particularly sa QCPD para po makuha na lang po natin ng statement.
The 30-year-old Quezon City resident went missing on December 10th after leaving to buy wedding shoes in North Fairview, where she was last seen at a Petron station.
Yun sir, inaalam pa po natin sa ngayon dahil hindi pa kompleto yung detalye natin. Accordingly, may tumawag po kanina kay Mark na nagsabi na nandun sa custody nila si Shera. Kaya agad na po siyang nag-report sa ating kapulisan. Kaya sinamahan po siya si Mark at yung kanyang kapatid ni Miss Shera para siya ay masundo.
Okay.
Ay, oo, nag-worry. Dito na dapat po talaga kayo. Pag wala po akong pera. Una po ko to. Sindan ko po. Wala man ako. Lalakad na lang.
Initial police findings point to overwhelming wedding stress and family health concerns as possible factors behind her disappearance. Her father, however, denied reports of financial problems. Authorities say they are still waiting for Shera's full personal account.
Tapos natatakot.
Sumurot kayo sila yung importante din dyan. Malatang statement niya. Ano kasano yung nakita.
Relieved, her father described the development as a thorn removed from his heart, while her mother expressed gratitude for answered prayers. Shera herself later shared a candid reflection. It's really hard to get married when you have so many things on your mind. Netizens noted that while her decision to run away is deeply saddening, it may have only worsened her situation, underscoring the emotional toll she had been carrying.